has pain and misery as doctors strike. And there's also something here that is quoted from the health CS Cleopa Mailu, who says nobody has reached out to him. And he says that's on the front page of the Daily Nation. We just want to look at both the dailies because they're talking about the same thing. On the front page of the Daily Nation, we have the headline as pain and misery as doctors strike bites. But we also have Cleopa Mailu saying that he doesn't care if the health workers respect him or not, but Kenyans are going to suffer the most in this mess. Now, you're an advocate of the High Court, yes, and maybe you can help us understand from a legal perspective the fact that the court had given 90 days, which runs out, I think, on the 5th of January, yes, for them to sit down and come to an agreement. Yes. So according to the health minister, he says that the doctors' union have jumped the gun. This strike is premature. Not necessarily so, because both the doctors' union as well as the nurses had given the 7 days notice for the strike, being that the lapse of the time frame, the CBA was negotiated in 2013, and thereafter government sat comfortably, did nothing, and it was even the doctors' union as well as the nurses who went to move court again to enforce government to come and deposit that CBA in court so that they could have a way out. So as it is, I think too little, too late. The government cannot cry wolf right now. They need to now move with speed, convene a conference as it was communicated yesterday, because even the rules of equity stipulates that when you are going to court to make a request, then you ought to come with clean hands. Government certainly does not come with clean hands in this saga, because it spent a lot of time before enforcing it, before registering it in court, prompting for the health workers to give that notice of a strike. But as it is said, we are all Kenyans, and the majority of people who suffer are our brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers. So I think the doctors, much as it is hard on them economically, I think there also comes a time for them to really put